مرحبا، أنا اسمي زايا. This is Arabic Easy for All Beginners Basic Arabic Courses. Lesson 7, Part 4. Meme, Noon, Double Signs. Part 4 of the Arabic alphabet course will deal with the characters meme, noon in a very easy manner. In a way, students will focus mainly on how to write basic academic double signs above or below the letters to be able to pronounce Arabic easier. Arabic has 3 doubled vowels, known as follow: doubled fatha, doubled dhamma, and doubled kasra. Double signs are always put at the end of the word. In doubled fatha, we say man, nan. In doubled dhamma, we say mun, nun. And in doubled kasra, we say min, nin. Let's go into details. In its final word position, doubled dhamma on meme is pronounced mun. Like in the example, alamun, which means flag. Doubled kasra on meme is pronounced min. Like in the example, ghulamin, which means a child. In its final word position, doubled dhamma on noon is pronounced nun. Like in the example, tinun, which means fig. Doubled fatha on noon results the sound nan. Like in the example, zaytunan, which means olive. Did you get this part easily? It is time to learn them by heart. Just keep repeating them loudly that you hear yourselves saying them correctly and discover the beauty of your sounds. Don't forget to repeat writing them as well. 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, why not? A PDF writing worksheet to help you exercise writing them is on the website link underneath this video. Lesson 8 is coming earlier with its characters ha, wa, ya. Carrying an important piece of advice. Number 1, please revise your previous lessons. Number 2, learn by heart all the vocabulary seen together, whether loudly through speaking or silently through writing. A final exam, inshallah, will be scheduled. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان